Hello everyone. Today we start soap and detergent in the chapter 7, carbohydrate soap and detergent. So let me start. First we define what is soap. Soap are generally sodium or potassium salt of long chain fatty acid. So this is the definition of soap. This is the sodium or potassium salt of long chain carboxylic acid or fatty acid. It is a product of reaction between strong base and weak acid. Weak acid, that means carboxylic acid. In this case, a strong base could be sodium hydroxide NaOH, or it could be potassium hydroxide or KOH. So whatever we solution obtain, soap solution in this reaction, this is basic in nature. These are the acid that we can use in this reaction as a weak acid, like oleic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid, lauric acid, or myristic acid. These are common fatty acids that are used in preparation of soap. So soap molecule contain these two part, hydrophilic and hydrophobic, that we discussed later. So this is some introduction of soap. Now soap, again I repeat, soap are product of hydrolysis of oil and fat with sodium hydroxide. So the hydrolysis is carried out using NaOH or KOH as a catalyst, and that fatty acid formed are changed into sodium or potassium. Here you concentrate on this reaction. In this reaction, the fat is react with alkali and it gives glycerol and soap molecules. Here you can see the structure of fat. At end of this structure, it contains oxygen and CH2. This CH2 and CH2 is replaced with sodium here, that gives the soap molecules. So OCH2, in this CH2 is replaced and sodium is attached here. So the soap molecules contain, at end of the soap molecules, it contains ONA, that means sodium salt of fatty acid. So this is the main portion. Concentrate on it. Soap molecule contain two parts. One, that is hydrophobic, second is hydrophilic. Hydro word means what it is? It is hydro word represented here, water, and phobic means, I think you have heard about phobia. Phobia means something like fear. So it is water. It has a water fear, like it is always remain away from water. So this part is always water insoluble. Again another part is hydrophilic. So here hydro word means water, philic means like or love. So it is always remain or attached with water. So it is water soluble parts. So one, the hydrophobic part we call it is tail, and the hydrophilic part is called head. So tail and head, these two words always represented in the structure of soap molecules. So here you can see the structure of the soap molecules. Here this is tail. So it is, tail are generally long chain of non-polar hydrocarbon. So it is long chain. It is hydrophobic in nature, that means always remain away from water, and it is oil soluble. Again another part is head part. So it is, head part is sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. It is hydrophilic, that means always remain attached with water, and it is water soluble. So this is the structure of soap molecules. This is long chain of fatty acid, this is called tail. So this is, all are tail, and the end of the one part, this is contain ONA, and this is the head part. So this is the head, and which is polar in structure, polar in and water soluble and hydrophilic. This is non-polar, tail is non-polar, oil soluble and hydrophobic. that is always remain away from water. These soap molecules contain these two parts. This will help you in understanding of cleaning action of soap. So now let me define what is detergent. Detergent are the sodium salt of long chain benzene sulfonic acid or benzene sulfonate. So in the soap definition, soap is long chain of fatty acid, and here it is sodium salt of long chain of benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the difference between soap and detergent. The soap is sodium salt of long chain of fatty acid, where detergent is sodium salt of long chain of benzene sulfonic acid or benzene sulfonate. In generally, detergent is derived or prepared from petroleum products or petroleum hydrocarbons. Detergent have better surface tension lowering action, so it is likely to interact with oil and better with respect to oil. So it has a better surface tension lowering action than soap, so it is easily interact with oil. Due to excessive foaming, this is the important part. The water of detergent water always contains some organic content, so the biodegradation of detergent is important issue or important environment factor. So this is always the negative point of detergent. It is difficult to degrade, or there is difficulty in biodegradation of detergent. So detergent there are four type of detergent: one anionic, cationic, non-ionic and amphoteric. These four type of detergent are there. In all of this, most common type of detergent is anionic, which is generally made up of from sodium salt of organic sulfate or sulfonate. So detergent is differing from soap in non-foaming scum with salt of water. Scum is generally froth or foam which contain water and dirt. This is something like foam or froth. So in soap there is formation of scum, but in detergent there is no formation of scum. This is the structure of detergent. Here again, this is the tail part which contain long chain of acid, and this is the head part which contain sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. And I think this structure you know about it in the benzene organic compound. We have also discussed this. So this is the benzene sulfonic acid, and this is head part, and this is tail part. So this is simple for understanding how we prepare detergent and how we prepare a soap. In the detergent, first alkyl benzene is react with oleum to give alkyl benzene sulfonate. Again, another reaction, fatty alcohol react with oleum and gives fatty alcohol sulfate. Now this sulfonate and sulfate is react with caustic or sodium hydroxide to give sodium salt, and sodium salt is react. This is a simple. We add the builders in the sodium salt to give detergent. In the soap preparation, the fat and hydrolysis of tallow which gives the tallow-fattic acid. This fatty acid react with sodium hydroxide to give sodium salt of fatty acid. Now this sodium salt of fatty acid, again we add up some builders to give soap molecules also. So these are the preparation reaction of detergent and soap respectively. Now we see what is the difference between soap and detergent. First we already defined two definition of soap and detergent. Soap are sodium or potassium salt of fatty acid, where detergent are sodium or potassium salt of sulfonic acid or sulfonate. So this is the salt of fatty acid, and this is the salt of sodium sulfonic acid or sulfonate. In the group it contains COO group, where detergent have SO3 Na group. In the based on effectiveness, soap are effectiveness of soap are better in soft water, where detergent are effective in both hard and soft water. Now we compare this based on source. Generally soap are made up from fat and vegetable oils, where detergent are made from resources such as synthetic resources such as petroleum fractionation. uh, on the based on environment effect, soap are biodegradable and do not cause any pollution, where in detergent we have also discussed earlier, it is not biodegradable and give thick foam that kill the aquatic leaves. So the detergent are non biodegradable, so it cause the pollution. This is the negative point of detergent. Based on scum formation, soap are soap forms come in hard water. So soap molecule react with hard salt of hard water, which gives scum like scum, which is something foam, a froth or foam which contains dirt, where in detergent it do not give any scum in hard water. So this is the main difference between soap and detergent based on definition, group, effectiveness, source, environment, effect and scum. So this is the explanation part of soap and detergent. Thank you.